I mean, if you think about it, this is the darkest secret of the AirPods. If you love Apple, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Yo, what is up, my Apple World family? Just a quick reminder, if you guys are interested in donating a couple bucks to cancer research and get an awesome sweatshirt, which is this one, make sure to check out AppleWorldClothing.com. This sweatshirt is still available. The 100% of the profit that this sweatshirt will make will of course be donated to cancer research. So if you guys want to help the world and get an awesome sweatshirt, once again, AppleWorldClothing.com. So anyways, the Apple AirPods. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the darkest secrets of the AirPods. This is kind of sneaky. It's kind of scary how people could actually use this. This is supposedly for people who has accessibility issues, people who can't really hear that well. But now people are going to start using this in the creepiest way, probably for spying on people. So basically what I'm going to show you today is you can basically put your AirPods, I don't know, in the living room. You can place it right there, and then I can put the other AirPod and I can actually listen to what the right AirPod is actually listening to. So this is actually pretty creepy. Let me show you how to do it. Jump over to your iPhone settings, scroll down to Control Center. Inside of Control Center, click on Customize Controls, and inside of that, tap on Hearing. So there you go. That's pretty much it. Now when you actually swipe down on your Control Center, you are going to see your hearing AirPods. So right now, if you actually tap on, make sure you guys have one AirPod out and the other one that is on, you will see that you actually have the option to put it on and off. So now there you go. If you actually put your left or right AirPod somewhere else, you can actually listen to what that AirPod is actually listening to, which is pretty cool. If you guys are about to, talk in a podcast and you want to hear yourself, you can also do that. You can use this in a bunch of ways. Creepy, useful, accessibility wise, you take it the way you want it. I just showed you how to do it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below, what ways do you guys think people are actually going to use it, and are you going to use it? Let me know in the comments down below. To be honest, I didn't have that much time to make a video today, so I just wanted to show you guys something really awesome, and I found this on the internet yesterday, so I'm like, I guess I'll make a video about this today instead of making no video at all. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you on Monday with, of course, a new crispy video. I'm probably uploading my really crispy, well-edited MacBook Air review. So if you guys are excited for that, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you on Monday with my MacBook Air review. Peace.